Students, this is Dr. Chandrakala HT. In this video, under the topic Modern Wireless Communication Systems, I'll be teaching you the differences between wired and wireless networks. This table summarizes all the major differences that exist between a wired network and wireless network. When we consider the parameter of communication medium, a wired network uses physical channels which are made up of copper or fiber. Examples of copper cables are twisted pair cables and coaxial cables. Example of fiber cables are optic fiber networks. So wired networks use physical communication medium which is visible and touchable, whereas wireless networks, they make use of air as communication medium. To be more precise, they make use of the electromagnetic spectrum for data transmission. They use 4 bands of electromagnetic spectrum for transmission: the microwave band, infrared band, radio wave band, and the visible light band, or we call it as the laser band. So these 4 bands of the electromagnetic spectrum will be used for data transmission in case of wireless networks. These communication medium are not visible or not touchable, but they exist. The second difference between wired and wireless network is in terms of the standards, IEEE standards, which exist for these types of networks. IEEE 802.3 is the main standard, LAN standard, which exists for wired networks. And for wireless technology, the IEEE has defined 802.11 and its family of variants to suit or to standardize the wireless communication networks. So any technologies which are developed in the field of wired and wireless networks must adhere to these standards. Wired network, the standard is IEEE 802.3, and wireless networks, the standard from IEEE is 802.11 family. The mobility and roaming available for wired network is very limited because it covers only a small area of say a small room or office or within a building. So the mobility and roaming can be achieved only within that space of coverage. Whereas wireless network has a higher mobility and roaming. The customers can move from place to place or even from city to city and still make use of the network facility without even a small bit of variation in the performance. Whereas wired networks are limited by the need for physical connectivity in order to get access to the network. Hence, they have very limited mobility and roaming facility. When we consider the security parameter, wired network have high security. This is attributed to the fact that they cover a small area for network coverage and number of devices which connect to the wired network are less, and hence the data security can be provided easily. Whereas in case of wireless network, the security is low compared to wired, and they can even be easily hacked also. The reason is wireless network has a wider coverage. It can cover larger distance and can connect numerous computers together, and providing security is not an easy task there. Hence, the security in wireless network is low. Coming to the speed and bandwidth of wired networks are high speed and they provide bandwidth up to 1 gigabits per second. But compared to this, the wireless networks have a lower speed and lower bandwidth when we compare it with the wired network. So it's nowhere comparable to that of wired network. But nowadays, with a lot of improvements and upgradations in wireless technology, even the wireless networks are catching up to the speed of wired networks. Coming to the access to network, for wired network, a physical access is required. The nodes have to be connected to the networking component through some physical wire. Only then they can get access to the network. Whereas for wireless networks, the proximity of the device is required. So to catch access to the network, the device should come to little closer proximity for the network service, for the networking device. So proximity is required for wireless networks, whereas physical access is required for wired networks. The wired networks have lower delay of transmission, whereas in case of wireless networks, the delay of packet transmission can be high. And wired networks have higher reliability than wireless networks. Wireless networks have lower reliability compared to wired networks. So reliability can be attributed to the availability of the network and the performance of the network. So you can heavily rely on wired network and rely on it for a 24/7 service. But for wireless network, you can expect a little variations in the reliability parameter. When it comes to flexibility, wired networks are less flexible to changes. They are not dynamically reconfigurable because of the heavy physical infrastructure which is in use. Whereas in case of wireless, since the physical infrastructure is less, the network is more flexible in terms of its configuration. It can be easily extended by adding new nodes, or even when you delete some nodes in the network also, it doesn't make too much of difference in the network performance. The wired networks work on a principle of CSMA CD. CSMA CD stands for Carrier Sense Multiple Access Collision Detection. So whenever a network is used in wired networks, it works on CSMA CD, operates by detecting the occurrence of a collision. So when multiple networks are using the same network, more than one nodes can try to access the network at the same time, and the packet sent by these two nodes can collide in the network. The wired networks, they use CSMA CD, that is collision detection mechanism, which will only detect a collision after it occurs and handles them. Whereas a wireless network works on carrier sense multiple access collision avoidance technique, CSMA CA technique. Hence, it will take care that the possibility of collision itself is less. So it avoids two or more devices putting packets onto the network at the same time. Hence, it can avoid the happening of a collision. The wired network has less interference, less fluctuations and vulnerability. Whereas the wireless network suffer from more interference, fluctuations and vulnerability for security attacks because of the number of users which it can connect. The installation activity for wired network is cumbersome and it requires a lot of manpower. Whereas in case of wireless network, since it has less amount of physical infrastructure to be installed, it is less labor intensive and easy to install as well. In terms of installation time also, wired network take long time for installation and deployment, whereas wireless network do not take too much installation and deployment time. The wired networks work on a dedicated connection or a dedicated communication channel because they are physically connected through wires. Each node, each pair of node is connected through a dedicated network. They do not share a connection. They have a dedicated communication path where packets can be sent and received. Whereas in case of wireless network, the communication connection is shared among multiple users. The installation cost for wired network is high, whereas it is low for wireless network. The maintenance cost is also high for wired networks and it is very low for wireless networks. So again, this is attributed to the amount of wiring which is used. The components which are used for support of a wired network are routers, switches, and hubs. For wireless networks, wireless routers and access point devices will be used. Coming to the benefits of wired network. The main benefits of wired networks are greater speed, higher noise immunity, high reliability, and greater security. Whereas for wireless networks, the benefits are different. They have no hassles of cables. They are best used for mobile devices. They have greater mobility, and they can be easily installed and managed. Hence, we can find out that the wireless networks are most suitable for mobile devices and handheld devices. But today, the mobile devices have become so popular, easily affordable, and widespread. Uh, Hence, the wireless networks, they have a bigger future compared to wired network. They are the need of the hour. Wireless networks are the need of the hour. After the inventions in the field of wireless networks, the computing components have become affordable, and even the network bandwidth, the data packs are coming at a lower cost, and hence people can make use of the network facility for their benefit quite easily compared to the era where there were only wired networks available. So these are few differences between the wired networks and wireless networks. Thank you.